a project that combines luxury residential, commercial, retail and recreational spaces within one planned development. You see, the Prestige Group has come up with this new plan, which is 40:60 ratio payment plan, and which customer has to pay only 40% now and 60% directly at the time of handover. So here's presenting Prestige City by Prestige Group. Coming over to the location part, so this is the exact location of the project, which is located in Rajendra Nagar, Hyderabad. Now when we come to talk about connectivity, the Agriculture University 3 minutes away, the Outer Ring Road exit 16 and 17 just 10 minutes from here. Now let's get to know about the project. So the project is going to be constructed on 64 acres of land parcel featuring 13 towers with 3 basement ground and 41 floors. Coming over to the configuration part, you see you are going to get here 3 BHK Smart, which is 1631 to 1687 square feet. Then you get 3 BHK Prima, which is 1898 to 2245 square feet. Then there's 3.5 BHK and the configuration for that is 2433 square feet. And lastly, 4 BHK plus maid room, and the configuration for that is 3348 to 3431 square feet. Now let's talk about the amenities. So the project comes with a curated set of lifestyle amenities, which includes a grand clubhouse. If you see there, you will have your indoor and outdoor sports courts. You will have your swimming pool and a lot more. As you can see, almost 60% of the construction work for the project is done, and it is going to be delivered by December 2027. Now coming over to the possession part, the RERA possession timeline for the project is going to be October 2028. So everyone, that was all that you needed to know about Prestige City. For more details like brochure, pricing, pros and cons, site visit and in-depth project insights, do not forget to visit our website www.housey.com.